Many people who get started in e-commerce have very wild expectations when it comes to starting an online business, so I thought that I would take a moment to do a little bit of a reality check. First, making money online is hard work. It is a grind and it is not going to happen overnight. That is one rule that you just absolutely have to accept. You have to reevaluate your expectations if you are expecting to be earning $1 million in your first year, because it's just not going to happen. Very few people rarely ever do, as I've never come across any story where that's ever happened. You have to set realistic goals for yourself about what you want to achieve. Start small. If you achieve that, move forward, carry on, or start something else. Start from scratch. That's one of the great things about e-commerce. A lot of the times, if you fail, not a lot of people will know. You have to commit and follow through. Commit to starting an online business, commit to working hard at it and marketing it, and you just might be successful. No promises, but you just might be.